How to add the screen recording toggle on iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how you can add the screen recording toggle on iPhone. So without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. How to add screen record button on iPhone. If you want to add a screen recording button to your iPhone, on your quick settings, so when you swipe down from the top right, you can see the screen recording toggle. If you're on iOS 18, this process is much more easier. You can just long press on an empty space on your quick settings, then you can tap on this button from the bottom that says add a control. So let's say you don't have screen recording toggle here, you want to add it. You tap on add a control button, and in the search control tab, just type in screen recording. Then just tap on that option and screen recording toggle will get added, which I can resize to a custom size like this, and once done you can see I've added to the recording toggle. If you're using iOS 17 or below, you have to manually add it from settings by going to settings and going to control center. Then over here you'll find the option to add it to your control center. I'm already using iOS 18, so I can just make it from my control center itself to add the screen recording toggle. Hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.